Hello everyone. Hi, I'm Ravi Handa. I'm the founder of the website handagafunda.com. And today I'm here to talk to you a little bit about our general knowledge course. Roughly 10,000 students have taken this course over the years and hopefully they have liked it. That's why there are people still subscribing to this. So what all does this course contain? That's what I wanted to talk to you about. First of all, this is a paid course. You will need to register for it. How do you do that? Just click on register now. It'll give you various options that you want to register for the GK course, or you also want 5 full-length mocks for Snap with it. That comes at an additional 500 rupees. You want mocks for XAT, or you want mocks for both XAT and Snap. Depending upon whichever option you want, you can pick that particular option, proceed. It'll ask you for your personal details, name, email ID, contact number, which state you are from, and where did you hear about the course from. So let's say if you heard about this GK course for the first time via YouTube, you should probably enter YouTube and that. Post that, it'll ask you to make the payment, cards, net banking, wallets, there are various options available. The price for the GK course, if you missed that, is 499 rupees. Now, suppose you have subscribed to the GK course, what happens then? You will be sent a link, a login and a password, after which you will be taken to My Stuff, which will have the courses in it. The course that you're talking about here is the GK course. Once you are inside the GK course, there are various sections you will be able to see. Now, these sections are in the scheduled portion. There is the introduction part and then there are multiple sections. I'll talk briefly about the important ones. Section 1 is essentially the introduction section to the course, in which I've taken a roughly 60-minute session about how to prepare for GK. I'm doing a brief roundup here. Then you have video tutorials for 2018. We have made a few video tutorials of the important topics in 2018 and we are in the process of making more. So as of now, this has 5. I believe by the time CAT exam is done, because that is when most people hopefully will get into GK, we will have something like 15 odd videos in just this particular section. Then we have video tutorials from 2017, which is important stuff that happened in 2017. We have some PPTs on the same stuff as well. Then another thing that we have done this particular year is the world this month. This is for every month we have made a video which covers the important aspects of the things that I've taken in that particular month. Also, we have made PPTs and PDFs for this particular part so that if you want to revise, you can quickly go through it. Then the same world this month exercise we did last year, you will have that. Then we have some specific video tutorials which I believe might not be very helpful for the exam, like IIFT and XAT and Snap, but they will help you with group discussion, personal interview and stuff like that. Those are classified in section 9. Then we have video tutorials from 2016, 2015. I believe the 2016 and 2015 stuff might come in handy in exams like Snap, which have a higher focus on current affairs. On the other hand, we have some video tutorials dealing with economy, banking, business awareness. Then comes the documents part. The document part essentially has current affairs, which will have information on awards, medal prizes, people heading various organizations, books, the various ministries and government schemes, mergers and acquisitions which have taken place, stuff like that. We will also have static GK in form of business awareness that will have business and economic abbreviations, business terminologies, brand quotient, important stuff about brands. Then we have major global and major Indian companies which are further subdivided into 2 parts. We also have a little bit of static GK, stuff that gets asked again in exams like that, countries, capitals, major dams and rivers, stuff like that. And after that, I believe is another very important aspect, which is the monthly updates. So as you saw, we had the monthly updates in the form of World this month. These were all videos that we had. Instead of videos, here what we have done is we have made a set of questions and answers for every month, which again covers 20-25 questions, so effectively 20-25 important topics. This list is there, as you can see, from January onwards, January 2017 to the data till September 2018. I'm making this video in October. Obviously, we will add October as well. Beyond that, we have some previous year question papers, which will give you a rough idea of what the paper is like. After this, in section 18, there will be a new section that we will be adding, and in that new section, we will have 15 mock tests. Now, what are these mock tests for? 5 mock tests are in the pattern of IIFT, 5 mock tests are in the pattern of SNAP, and 5 mock tests are in the pattern of XAT GK. Now, you might be wondering that, let's say, if you are only attempting IIFT and SNAP, should you go through the SNAP mock? 100% you should, because that gives you a large number of good quality questions which might be asked in some other exam in a slightly different format. So please do not skip the mocks. Go through all the mocks even if you are not attempting that exam. Priority order, what I would suggest is Factopedia video tutorials for 2018, 2017 and the world this month in 2018. These 3 should be your top priority when it comes to videos. In terms of documents, I believe the business awareness documents and the current affairs important presentations are the most important ones when it comes to exams like IIFT, XAT and SNAP, because their questions are majorly focused on business areas. Over and above that, I believe the mocks are going to be really, really important. And to be honest, well, even if you start, let's say, 15 or 20 days before the exam and you put in, say, 1 to 2 hours every day, you can wrap up this entire course, everything that is covered in this, in roughly 30 to 50 hours. So if you have 30 to 50 hours, go through all of this once, and I'm sure you'll do well in the final exams. Best of luck for the exams, and for those of you who have not registered, you can still do so. Come here, the course is available only for $4.99. If you have any further questions, well, you can reach out to me. My email ID is ravihanda@gmail.com and my contact number is 97651 42632. Thank you.